There's a massive security update coming for the S23 series phones. So the S23, the S23 Plus, this guy, the S23 Ultra, maybe you heard of it. I think it's kind of popular. So massive security update on the way, and possibly a camera update to help out with some low light stuff that we thought we were getting with the last update that didn't really show up apparently. So it may be in this one, not sure yet, but it's looking about 350 megabytes. It's already started rolling out in Europe yesterday, so Samsung, Johnny on the spot getting this out, but it rolls out kind of regionally. So over the next couple of days, I kind of expect it to hit the US shores, just like it did last month. But I gotta say, Google did a really good job this month. The Pixels, they got their security update, bam, right on Monday, like clockwork for the first day of the month. So good job, Google. Proud of you there. But I really like seeing this. And why is that? Because security is paramount when it comes to your phone. And this new update addresses 70 or over 70 different security flaws or vulnerabilities. And that's big. That's a lot of stuff. So it's nice to see that we have this commitment from not only Samsung, but also from Google. And it seems like kind of Android for some of these big manufacturers. Yeah, well, I mean, they of course still pride on your data, but at least they keep other people from getting intrusion into your phone, right? Don't worry about Papa Samsung and Papa Google and all those guys. But anyway, so it's supposed to be about 350 megabytes, and it's rolling out in Europe. I think maybe South Korea. That's where they make these. That's where Samsung's at. So usually they get stuff first there. But here in the US, it'll probably roll out in the next couple of days. This is very similar to what happened last month. And Samsung has been great about this. And I've been saying lots of great things about Samsung, their security patches, their update process, and all of that stuff over basically the last year or so. And it used to be Google. Google used to be number one. They used to be up there first Monday of every month, noon, 12 o'clock Central Standard Time, 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. You would start getting notifications telling you that the over-the-air update was rolling out and you could download the files. Well, they haven't been quite so reliable with that lately, but they were Johnny on the spot with it yesterday, and now, hopefully over the next few days, this will start rolling out. Now, one thing I want to talk about here is phones and carriers, unlock models, things like that. So what typically happens is once it does start showing up, certain models or certain carriers will start getting it first. It seems like the unlocked models are always like the last ones to get it. I don't even know why that is. It doesn't make any sense to me, but I don't know. Maybe somebody can explain it to me one day. It would be really nice if everybody could get it all at the same time. Kind of like the way it works with Apple. Apple is very good about pushing out security updates, and it's like, bam, it's available. You can just go download it at your leisure. So I'd like to see that one day. Like just universally, bam, across the board. But I do really like seeing this commitment. I like seeing the emphasis on security, also highlighting, letting folks know, hey, lots of vulnerabilities, lots of flaws fixed here. We're talking about 70 different vulnerabilities or flaws fixed across the S23 lineup. That's not talking S22, S21, any of that stuff. We're talking specifically for the S23 series phones. So good to know about that. 350 megabytes should probably be rolling out over the next couple of days. Last time, I don't think it took more than a week. So that'll be good. You'll have your security patch for the month. You'll have your update. There's not really any fixes or anything in there. There's nothing that I saw that was really epic or anything crazy. However, there is the speculation that it may fix some of the low light stuff with the camera. Like I said, we thought we were going to get a fix on that last month, but we didn't. So, I don't know. Maybe it'll show up this time. We'll see. If not, it might be addressed in a couple of weeks. I know they're still doing quite a bit of optimization. There was some issues. People were complaining about HDR, low light stuff, and just kind of some blurriness, some artifacts, some things like that. Specifically, people also concerned about camera blur in photos on the S23 and the Plus. So we'll see how that gets addressed moving forward. But I really wanted to talk about this. If you've been following my channel for any amount of time, especially over the years, you know that I'm a big BlackBerry person. That's where I came from. I really cared about security. And of course, I mean, they're basically gone. They don't make phones anymore. But it's nice to see that out in the market that at least on a monthly basis, phones like the Samsung Galaxy S23 series are very committed to their monthly security patches, their updates, getting things out in a timely manner, and addressing security vulnerabilities that are out in the field. So yeah, that's all I got. Not really going to waste any more of your time. Just want to let you know, it should be coming in the next couple of days. It's already been pushed out in Europe, and it should be rolling out regionally, hopefully over the next couple of days. It's not something that should take too long. Shouldn't take more than I think a week at the max, but they got it out pretty quick last time. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, please go in the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, please go to the comment section. I will get back with you. I'll try my best to, because I get a lot of comments sometimes. I try. I know that I fall short, but I will do my best. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.